I just woke up, guys. Don't judge me. Get back in there. Ah. Guys, it's September. I'd be lying if I said it didn't feel weird to be sitting here doing a holiday advent calendar unboxing, but here we are. So as you guys may or may not know, Yesstyle comes out with a holiday beauty advent calendar every year, and I've got 2020s here. So I will be unboxing, sharing with you guys what's in each day, and just doing like a first impression. So first of all, to give you some details about the advent calendar, what's happening this year, because every single year, these puppies sell out. The pre-order date for gold and silver members goes up September 22nd. The pre-order date for all other customers goes up October 6th, and it officially launches on October 13th. All of these are Pacific time, in case you're wondering. I'll put how much these are going to retail for here, and the value of everything in here, I believe, is $400. So these are always a very good deal if you're willing to try a bunch of new products, and these are considered like Yesstyle's most popular, best-selling products from their website. So this year's theme is this Jet Set Glow, and so this whole advent calendar, which is super heavy, a suitcase theme, it's super heavy, so I'm like, ooh, like getting a workout. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Okay, box number one. We have this guy, which is the I'm From Fig Cleansing Balm. I actually haven't tried this yet. I've actually been using the scrub mask in my shower currently, so I am definitely due to try a new cleansing balm because I'm finishing up my Belief one. Number two is like a big one here at the bottom. Okay, I've actually tried this. I've used it actually quite a bit. I've used the whole thing of it. This is the Aromatica Reviving Rose Infusion Cream Cleanser. This is really nice for those of you guys who have, dry skin, or you want something that's a little bit more gentle. It's like a creamy texture, but goes kind of foamy, so it's nice. I actually really like this whole rose line from Aromatica. Half the fun is like trying to find out where the next box is. Oh, we got another big box here down at the bottom. Hope. We've got these. I've actually never tried these either. I've seen these all over Yesstyle's website. These are the Pink Raccoony Hydrogel Eye and Cheek Patches. Another nice thing about this Yesstyle advent calendar is they always put in like multiples of some type of product, so you could share if you felt so inclined. Number four is a little BB one off the side here. Oh, okay, this is the Romand Better Than Eyes Music Series Dry Apple Blossom. I've actually never tried Romand cheek products. I have tried a lot of their lipsticks and lip products, and I really enjoyed them, so I get to try one of their cheek products, see what it looks like. Oh, I don't know why I said cheek products. Good thing I opened it. It's actually an eye quad. It basically looks like the eye makeup I have on now. I'm just waking up, guys. It's like 6 in the morning. You guys can't tell, but yeah, I wanted to like wake up early and get this out immediately. Oh, this is actually a pretty pricey brand, Xoxo. This is the Cell Energy Mask Formula, another product I've never tried nor actually heard of. Again, like I said, Xoxo is like a more pricey, like clinical, professional skincare brand. So, if you have like problematic skin, this is kind of designed for that type of skin, or like, post-laser, things like that. This skincare line is supposed to be good for that. I wouldn't know. I've only had like laser one time like on this little spot, but that's what I hear. Number 6 over here. We got the Dear Claire's Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. I've actually tried the mist from this line and really liked it, so I'm excited. Now I get to try the oil drop. This has a lot of peptides and antioxidants in the line, so it's good for, not only moisturizing skin, but anti-aging. So number 7, a Moonshot Tint Shine in Mood Berry. Looks really pretty. I always like kind of plummy type of colors for the fall, so this is like perfect timing. Even this is a holiday advent calendar. I mean, I wear plum all year round. Okay, we're on 8. This. We have Kyunggan Black Tea Time Reserve Eye Cream. I didn't know they had this line even. It's like a very heavy and sturdy box. Wow, fancy. Comes in like this tin container. This is excessive. And then you have your little eye cream in there. I don't know, maybe you could save this and put like pencils or something in it. Ooh, they do. You could totally repurpose that. 9 is for peace. Ooh, it's like jammed in there. Oh, we've got foot peeling masks from 11 Village Factory. If you guys have never seen these, they're kind of gnarly. Like they basically peel off the skin, all the skin off your feet. So if you got like hardcore calloused tootsies, you could use something like this, and it takes about like, I think a week or two for all of the skin to shed. You basically molt the skin on your feet, but you get 3 of them. This is from Skin & Lab. This is the Medicica Calming Cream. Nice. I can always use calming creams, it feels like, because I use like calming creams or like Cica based creams whenever I, you know, have breakouts or reactions to maybe products. Or recently I had one to like the air, because the air quality was so bad from like all the fires we've had going on. Calming cream. This is from McQueen. This is the Jewel Potent Eye Glitter. I'm not gonna lie, their labeling throws me off. It looks like Tony Moly. Like, what are we doing here, McQueen? I had to look at that for a second. But let's see what the color itself looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. It's like a very coppery type of eye glitter. Look at this labeling. Does that not look exactly like Tony Moly? What's going on here? Why do brands do this? Just be yourself. That's all I've got to say. Get back in there. Ah. Ooh, mascara. Mizon Collagen Curling Fix Mascara. I am like literally on the hunt for a mascara that I like that's Korean, because I don't know. They're like very far and few between. You know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say. So we'll see about this one. Mizon's one of my favorite Korean beauty brands, so I didn't even know they made mascara. The more you know, your lashes will show. Morgan the Pony. Always thinking of ours. I actually have this, so I'll probably give this away. This is from by Wish Trend, the Sulfur 3% Clean Gel. This is like a gel formatted sulfur. Basically like kind of what you get in those like little tubes you dip the Q-tip in very carefully and dot it on your skin. It's kind of the similar concept. I will say this smells very sulfury, like a lot of other sulfur-based products, but I can really smell this on my skin and it doesn't go away. So it is effective on some of my particular pimples or breakouts that I've had. I just find myself not gravitating towards it necessarily, because I can't stand like smelling that on my skin like overnight or all day. Oh, 14's right here. We've got these All Care Recovery Cica Aid Soothing and Anti-Scar at Once. Ooh, these are from Burrito. I didn't even know Burrito made these. These are little pimple patches. I will definitely give these a go. I feel like I always need pimple patches in my house, because I feel like I burn through them, because I'll change them out every couple hours. As soon as they fill up, I change it. So I'll wear them through the day if like I'm not going anywhere, let it, you know, absorb whatever, take it off, and then throw another one on. And I find that really speeds up the recovery time of like breakouts that I have. Yay! Okay, I'm on 15. This is the IMK Black Snail Restore Serum. I actually got introduced to this brand last year through the advent calendar, and I really liked it. Like, I really liked their cleansing oil. I love me some snail. So another thing that I can try from IMK. Am I saying that right? Unique. Oh my gosh, I was saying that totally wrong. Unique. I just woke up, guys. Don't judge me. There's a little baby one down here. This is from Cosrx. This is the Cica powder. What is this? I'm intrigued. Oh, this is something, it's like a mix-in you can add to your toner. That's very cool. I've actually never seen anything like that besides like vitamin C. Leave it to Cosrx to come out with something like super innovative skincare technology. 17's down here in this little corner back here. This is the Yuja Niacin Brightening Sleeping Mask from Sewn by Me. I've tried a couple Sewn by Me skincare products. They're not designed for my skin type, but maybe this will be a little bit better. This is a brightening and moisturizing type product, so it's got a 5% niacinamide in it. Getting to the end, closer to the end. This is from Klabu. This is the Urban Pearlization Velvet Lipstick and Marsala. Basic packaging, little magnetic closure, and it looks like kind of a raspberry type color. I have so many lipstick colors like this, so I will probably give this away unless you guys tell me it's like an amazing lipstick formula that I won't be able to live without. We've got the I'm Mimi Lip Jelly. Comes in this cute little package like this that I'm about to rip open, so enjoy it while it's intact. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's got like little heart glitters in it, which obviously I don't even think that would, that wouldn't go through like the tip of the applicator, but you know, it's cute. We've got 5 more to go, I believe. We have the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Water Essence. I'll probably give this away because I've definitely tried this and I did enjoy it. I like a lot of Isntree products, and hyaluronic acid seems to be one of the products they get or they do really well. This has 8 types of hyaluronic acid, so you know they're supposed to penetrate the skin at different levels, so you get moisturization at the different levels of your skin. This is from the plant base, and this is the AC Clear Spot Magic Powder. I believe this is one of those things I was talking about earlier where you like dip the Q-tip in. I'm not going to open it because I think I'll give this away because, like I said, I don't love those types of products for my skin type. This one's heavy and full. Ooh, we got some, it looks like sheet mask in here. This is the Probiotic Relief Sheet Mask. I'm actually using the mist from this Neogen Probiotics line, and it's pretty nice. I'm not too fond of the scent of it. These have their super probiotics in it, which are basically like kind of the same concept as like the gut health, like the microbiome in the gut. You kind of have a similar thing going on with like good bacteria, bad bacteria. You know, you want to make sure that your skin's strong enough to fend off bad things, but also keep good things in. I really like oversimplified that, but at least that's how in my head I associate like probiotics for skin. All right, we're getting towards the end, number 23. This is from BDL, the Lumi Layer Primer. I'll definitely be giving this away because I've got a couple of these in like different shades. This one is in the original one, I believe. And this is like one of those like super famous cult classic Korean makeup products because it gives you that like luminous glow from within, and it makes your skin like look very healthy and beautiful. So yeah, one of my favorite brands. Obviously I did my lipstick collection with them, so this is definitely like an oldie but goodie. Oh my gosh, here goes the last one, which is like the biggest slot in this advent calendar. Ooh. We've got the Face Contour Lookbook from Agatha. Let's go ahead and open this up. I have tried a couple products from Agatha. I've tried their lipsticks and I've also tried their face primer, and both of them I really like. I actually keep their like little lipstick keychain on my keys. Ooh. Looks like we've got 3 highlighters up here, and then we've got 2 blushes and a contour color. The contour looks like a fairly neutral brown, like not too orangey, not too gray. And then you've got some pretty highlighters up here. It looks like you've got almost like a bronzier highlight up here, a more pink hued one, and then a more like white toned one. And then you've got like a bright orange and a bright pink. So these look great. I'll have to give these a go. And this little like book is super cute as well. All right, you guys, so that is the 2020 Holiday Beauty Advent Calendar from Yesstyle. I know this is highly anticipated every year to see what Yesstyle decides to put in their advent calendars. And I think this year, like always, it's definitely great, a good value. If you're maybe looking to treat yourself, this could be your holiday gift to yourself. So again, I'll go ahead and put all of the information details about this when it launches, dates, all that kind of good stuff in my description box below. And I always put this into the description box. I know sometimes it gets overlooked. If you use my code Beauty Breakdown, you get a discount off of orders over $49. So just a heads up, if you want, to use that, feel free. If not, no big deal. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.